Yo, shout out to all the sneaker forums that used to be live back in the day, you know, Nike Talk, ISS, all that. But today, we're gonna get into something real nice. Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Earl the Pearl. We're here at 47 Howard Street, Stadium Goods. Please check us out on all social media at Stadium Goods and also stadiumgoods.com. All right, so without further delay, we're gonna get into today's shoe, which is the Air Jordan 3 Seoul Korea edition. So as you can see with the box, regular OG classic Jordan 3 box that they've been giving out with recent releases. I'm just gonna pull out the shoe. Guys, so here you have it, the Seoul edition Air Jordan 3. As you can see on the left shoe, full white grain leather upper, Jumpman Jordan on the front. Of course, icy white laces, nice tumbled leather in there, you know what I'm saying? Elephant print throughout the toe box, pretty clean. On the back here, you can see that black Nike Air, the blue and the red for the insole. As you can see, this is the left shoe. So in Korean here, it says Seoul for where the Olympics took place in 1988. As you guys know, the Air Jordan 3 silhouette came out in '88. Air Jordan had that, well, Michael Jordan had that epic dunk contest in these. And so Nike just gave us a little taste of stuff they can do with the 3 to commemorate different sporting events that happened that year. So as you can see on the right shoe, on the tongue sports the Korean flag. Here on the laces, nice little touch they added. You'll see it has these Jumpman signs on there. Pretty dope detail, if you ask me. Midsole on this right shoe, all white. Very, very clean shoe, very clean for the summer. And on the inside here in Korean, it says Faith and Harmony. I'm not too sure if it's Faith and Harmony or Harmony and Faith, but that was the motto for the '88 Olympics, and just a little touch that Nike added in there. As you can also see on the insole, nice little white and black Jumpman sign. Of course, again, Nike Air on the back. All white out with the Nike on the bottom of the outsole. So just overall, a clean shoe. This shoe came out in '88. They held the Olympics in Seoul, Korea in '88, so that's why we have this collaboration right here. It was only sold in Seoul, Korea, and on Nike's website for Hong Kong, or for Korea, my fault. My fault. No disrespect, guys. All right, but yeah, so with that being said, we do have them here at Stadium Goods. You can find them in store. Check your boy out. That's me, Earl the Pearl. Tell me your size, you know. I chef them up real quick, have them out here for you. Or you can cop them online at our website, stadiumgoods.com, or any of our other channels. All right, I'm Earl the Pearl. We're at 47 Howard Street, Stadium Goods, and I'm out. Peace.